and welcome to Gordon Guitar, SHANIA TWAIN, Waking Up Dreamin'. So we have this strumming, goes pretty fast through the entire song here. It's in the same way, but yeah, pretty easy chord progressions there. So yeah, we'll do this together. Let's start with this one, and no capo needed for the song. So let's go over the chords like we usually do. We have 5 different chords. So the first one will be E. So that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Then we have this E, but with an G sharp in the bass, you can say. So what you do here, you're gonna have this like that. That's the sound here, almost. There you have it. So fourth on E string, then second on A string, second on D string, and fourth on the G string. So we'll use just bass strings, bass middle strings, these 4 strings there for the strumming, and that will be an E chord, you can say, but with a G sharp in the bass. All right, the next chord will be A sus2. So that is open A, second D, second G, open B, and open E. Then we have this B sus4 chord. So it's kind of this open chords, you can say. So it looks like a bar chord, but it isn't. So we're gonna have second on A, fourth on D, fourth on G, and then open B and open E. And then we have this final C sharp minor 7-ish chord. It's the same grip as the B sus4, you just move it 2 frets towards you, closer to you. So you will have 4th on A, 6 on D, 6 on G, and now still open B and open E. So this isn't bar chord, neither the B sus there, it's open chords. Alright, so there you have the chords there, E, then the E with G sharp in the bass, then A sus2, B sus4, and the C sharp chord there. Alright, so we will look at the strumming now. We have the E as the first chord. So one round will be down, up, clap, up. Down, up, clap, up. All right, so it goes pretty fast, this strumming. We'll go over the verse first now. So you will have E, 8 rounds of strumming. Then you go to and shift to the A sus chord and play 8 rounds of strumming. Then back to E and play 8 rounds of strumming. And back to A sus and play 8. So E, A, 8 strumming rounds per chord. That sounds like this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, A. 5, 6, 7, 8, E. And finally A. Alright, so that is the first verse. And then comes the pre-chorus. Okay, so you will have the C sharp chord, 2 strumming rounds, then the B sus 2 rounds, and the A sus 4 rounds. That short little chord progression C, C, B, and A, you will play for 2 rounds. I lost my voice there for a moment. That's great. I'm not a singer, so that's great. Anyway, let's do this. C sharp, B, and A like this. that is the pre-chorus. All right, that takes us to the first chorus. So it will be still the same strumming there. The chord progression will be E, 8 rounds, A sus, 8 rounds, then the C sharp, 8 rounds, and the B sus, 8 rounds. Sounds like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, A. 5, 6, 7, 8, C sharp. 7, 8, and B. 8. And that is the chorus. Now, pretty much everything is repetition. Second verse played in the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the next part, pre-chorus 2, and even the chorus number 2, played in the same way as the previous parts. The only difference here is with the second chorus, it's twice as long. So it's played in the same way, just for 2 rounds, you can say, 2 choruses. And then comes the bridge part, and this is the part where we have this other chord, the E, but with a G sharp in the bass. And here you can play in different ways. I suggest that you play just 1 down per chord. So you will shift between this G sharp chord-ish, or E, and play 1 down. And then you go to A. And you're gonna do this for 3 rounds. And back to A. And on a 3rd round again, the G sharp, and then A. And then you have 3 chords played right after each other. It's the C sharp, B sus, and the A sus, like this. And the pause. So that is the bridge part, all right? So 3 rounds of the G sharp, alternating that with the A sus chord, and then you play the C sharp, B, A, like this, and that's how the bridge part ends. Then we'll have just the final part, the 3rd chorus. So the first chord progression round and this chorus will be played with just 1 down per chord. And the second round you go with the standard strumming, and that is what you're gonna play till the very end. And that will wrap it up for Shania Twain's Waking Up Dreamin'. So she's still going strong, this artist. It's a long time she did her famous songs there back in the early 20s, perhaps the 90s. And yeah, this is a great song from Shania Twain. So give it a try, guys. Hope you enjoy it. And like always, play tuned.